Good evening, everyone. So, in last lecture, we have studied some theorem. This theorem, I recall this theorem, that n belongs to n, fx be a function defined for x greater than n. Also, let fn be a sequence such that an is equal to fn for all n greater than n naught. If limit of fx is equal to L, x tending to infinity, then an is convergent and the limit of an is L. We have discussed this in last lecture, and due to interruption in internet connection, we are not able to do some example on this. So now we continue our lecture and we do some example on it. Okay. So let's write first example. Example one. Is the sequence log n upon n convergent? Okay. If so, find limit n tending to log n upon n. Okay. So if yes, I should write here yes. If yes, find the limit of this sequence. Solution. Okay. So I am putting fx is equal to log x upon x. Now this function is continuous function. Is function is function is function defined for n greater than 1, defined for x greater than 1. So n naught here is n naught here is 1. Okay. Also log n upon n is equal to fn for all n greater than 1. Okay. Now limit of this function fx. What is this limit? Log x upon x. So this is infinity upon infinity form, indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. This is indeterminate form. So by using L'Hopital rule, so what will be this limit x tending to infinity? Log x differentiation is 1 upon x and 1 differentiation is 1 by L'Hopital rule. Okay. Now what is this log? So this is what is this? This is limit x tending to infinity 1 upon x. What is this then? This is 0. Okay. So this implies limit x tending to infinity fx is equal to 0 by theorem of sequence L8. Last lecture we have fn is equal to log n upon n convergent and limit of n tending to infinity log n upon n is limit of fx. So what is L here? L is 0. L is 0 here. So limit of function. So this is 0. So this implies log n upon n is convergent and limit n tending to infinity log n upon n is 0. Okay. So we will do only one example. So let's write example here only. So today's question up to this, we have used here the theorem we have done in last lecture. So this is done. Log and sequence is convergent and its limit is 0. Okay. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you for next lecture.